Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML forms, and right now we'll be discussing about the HTML input type of checkboxes. The HTML input type of checkbox defines a checkbox. Checkboxes let a user select 0 or more options of a limited number of choices. In this example right here, you can see a form with checkboxes. So I'm going to copy this quickly and take it to our document, so we can see how it displays in a browser. Back to our document. As you can see, we are having this one in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the radio button. So quickly, let me remove this and place this code right here. I'm quickly doing this so you can be able to follow along easily. I don't want this tutorial to get too long. As you can see, this one is saying I have a bike, I have a car. So anyone you have in there, you can select I have a car, so you can select it. I have a boat, you can select I have a bike. You understand what I'm talking about? You can use this because we are using what we are having input type of what checkbox. As you can see, it's this one, the second one also, the third one also. So quickly, let me show you how this works easily so you can be able to follow along as we all know. So in this place right here, inside our form right here, to have the input type of checkbox, you are going to specify your input first. Inside your attribute, inside your type attribute right here, you are going to put checkbox. When you place the checkbox there and reload your document, can you see we are having checkbox? As you can see, this checkbox right here is what we are having right now. Can you see? So, and right here, to give it a name, you can just use your label and give it a name. And say okay, select your choice, or select, let's just say select one. So we can put something here, checkbox, if we want. So depend on your text. It depends on your text. Don't you forget, I've already discussed about this in our previous tutorial, because I want us to be using it. That's why I'm using it right now. So because I don't want us to be in a situation whereby we don't use it. Can you see? So can you see we're having our word select one, and we can select this and understand. So if you want to know about label, you can check our previous tutorial on the label. Also, we have discussed about it in our previous tutorial, so we have discussed about it in details. As you can see, it's working nicely, and we can even break this. We can even break it. We can break it, and it will be at the bottom. Can you see? Say select one, and it's working. And it's working. Everything is working nicely. And also, we can even do something nice again. We can even double it if you want. If you want, we can double it. Let's say for instance, we want more than two, more than three. We can reload our document. As you can see, we are having more select boxes that we can select. So that's how the checkbox works. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the